Hello and welcome to Indulge Gadgets. I'm Tushar Kavan and I'll be unboxing and reviewing the hottest gadgets every week. While they may not have been the first to launch truly wireless earbuds, Apple's AirPods have, since their launch 5 years ago, become a huge hit, and they've become ubiquitous at airports and cafes alike. Along the way, we got the second generation AirPods. These came with wireless charging and better battery life. But the big leap forward truly was the AirPods Pro. Now they came with active noise cancellation, all-weather resistance, and silicone air tips for better seal. And now we have the third generation AirPods, which promise to bring some of what we loved in the AirPods Pro to a more affordable segment. Let's unbox these and take a quick first look. So here we have the AirPods third generation box, as you can see, in its all-new eco-friendly no cling wrap packaging. Let's open up the pull tabs and see what's inside. There you have the standard documentation, third generation case with the AirPods inside, and let's take a look. A standard Type-C to Lightning cable, no charger in the box obviously. Let's take a look at the AirPods third generation now. Let's open it up. Setting it down by the AirPods Pro, you'll notice the case is a little bit smaller, but clearly inspired by the AirPods Pro. Both have the Lightning port at the bottom, and new this time around is MagSafe compatibility on top of the already existing wireless charging. MagSafe, as you might be aware, is Apple's ecosystem for wireless charging using magnets to precisely and quickly attach products to the charger. Opening the case, you can see the seamless Apple pairing at work. Go ahead and set it up. And there you have it. The AirPods are set up. I don't think it gets any simpler than this. Now, looking at the AirPods themselves, it's no stretch to say that the third generation AirPods look a lot like the AirPods Pro, with the short stems and the large black pressure equalization grills on both the pod and the top of the stem, making them look nearly identical to the AirPods Pro. The inner pod itself is reshaped, less round and more bulbous, similar to the AirPods Pro but without the rubberized tip. You'll also notice that they feature the same force touch sensor as the AirPods Pro for media control. There's even a new skin detect sensor, something that's new in this generation and isn't even found in the AirPod Pro either, that can tell if the AirPods are in the air versus, say, your bag or a pocket, and pause playback when they are removed. Similar to the AirPods Pro, the new AirPods are resistant to both sweat and water, with an IPX4 rating for both the earbuds and the charging case. Now, AirPods in particular have a fit that's best described as personal. They work for some, staying put in the ears. Many appreciate the fact that there's no tight seal as with the AirPods Pro. Others like me like their size and weight, but have issues with the rigid plastic shape, particularly in my left ear. In general, wearing AirPods, I'm constantly adjusting the fit on the left earpiece as it worms its way loose, slowly, bit by bit. The third gen fits differently, not necessarily any better than the second generation. It's still a similar experience for me, but of course, your mileage may vary based on your ear shape. That said, there's certainly an improved design over the second generation, and the shorter stems and the water resistance is certainly an improvement that I can appreciate. In my limited time with the AirPods, the improved sound quality is certainly noticeable. Apple uses a new driver in the new design, which makes a big difference to the clarity and the punchiness of bass-heavy tracks. You get software features like adaptive EQ and spatial audio with head tracking while watching videos in supported apps. I'll have more on this, plus a lot more on the full review, including how the battery life holds up. So that's a first look at the AirPods third generation for you. And I'm listening really hard to get you my full review out at indulgeexpress.com. As always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you next week with more hot gadgets.